All right, so we're doing the same thing, dime stop, but this time the arm pretty much straight ideas to stop, like this one. But that's hard because you don't know how to control these muscles. So we're doing like an elbow first because the long distance dime stop was actually your elbow movement. So you gotta make sure your elbow dime stop right to like this way. Same ideas. Here the target and then over a little bit, come back like that. Yeah. And then you open a little bit and then do it again. And then open a little bit and then do it again. And then open a little bit. And open a little bit. Then full. Open your elbow. Then. But you can fit it here still. Fitting came from here. And the finger shakes part. But that's how the feel get there. But the muscle control was actually the back. Like this arm, doing it at this side. This side muscles and that one and this one too. Like, because the muscle design is going like this. Like this, like diagonal. So you gotta use this one. Damn, you're actually fucking good. So use the elbow first. Use this muscle. Then you open a little bit. Then open a little bit. Right. Then. And then another idea was that you drop, hand drop, and pick it up. The faster move was actually you came from your knee drop to your here to pick it up. Yeah, just drop a little bit so you can move quicker. Yeah. Same thing, you're dropping, like drop at the same time, drop. Boom. Yeah, but we try to hide it. This one's. This drop. So we use actually the hips, kind of like this. Like that.
Oh.
Yeah. So that drop ideas, feel like you use the drop here still, but try to hide it, and then and drop, and you drop it, pick it up. Same thing, like drop it, drop it, pick it up. Drop. So just this, you can do it. But still elbow. So. Like this one. Just focus on this one. I'm doing like this.
Yeah. You just dropped your hips?
This move, yeah, this move.
It's like a tiny little hip thrust.
Yeah.
Is it hip thrust backwards or forward?
It can go this way or that way, either one.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, because it's that like up and down, so you have to be that, pick it up. That.
Yeah.
But you just try to go quicker this one, so you can do boom, well, boom all the way and stop. Yeah, just a little bit here. That's like big ideas.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you can hide it.
Gabriel's not using a lot of knee.
Oh, not okay. I'm using too much.
I can hide it. The idea is this one.
Yeah.
Like an elbow. So you're doing the elbow, you can feel it that stretch.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you can do that one.
Yeah.
Maybe you can see.
Maybe zoom on a towel. I'm trying to pay attention.
Oh, it's chest.
Like kind of chest and then do the hips.
Yeah, chest, hip, hip. When chest goes up, hip goes
Yeah.
back. Alright?
Yeah.
It's so slight. It's like dive stopping.
That's something this. Yeah, then so you open, stop, boom, 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 boom. This control, then this is a hip move. You can combine your the shoulder blade muscles, like this part,
Okay.
like a X, almost like X ideas.
So it's like you're pushing back and up forward?
Yeah, like this way, like a, this.
Oh.
The elbow, stop at the elbow. Then you open a little bit. Then open a little more. Then open a little more and go this side. So how you do core, that, and then the hips
Yeah.
rotate.
Yeah.
Don't look it down. If you look it down, your postures change.
Mm.
So make sure you're straight,
Sure.
and then you kind of gotta drop it, pick it up, drop it, pick it up. Then move quick. Or you just arm like elbow, just so the stationary is straight. Feel like this.
Mhm.
So your postures feel like this,
Mhm.
and then so this idea. So you just gotta stretch, stretch, stretch.
Oh.
Yeah, that idea. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I see.
Yeah. Then you can hide your knees.
Okay.
Just you. The bone has a little space. Then you just straight. Like somebody pull your the string of your whole body.
Yeah.
Yeah. The idea. Yeah. Then and then tight. And then tight here, then elbow. Yeah, so you do elbow, you can feel stronger, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, then you open up a little bit, Right.
That's a good one.
Yeah, right. So you can do kind of like a clump ideas to stop. But same thing.
It's the same muscle.
Yeah, the same muscles. You just
Super
tight.
dynamic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
There it is.
yeah, hopefully it helps. All right.
Maybe-